Welcome to the best picks. The best Aspas Para Licuadora Ninja is probably one of the most crucial components for any Ninja blender owner. These blades are the heart of your blender, responsible for turning ingredients into smooth, delicious creations. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Ninja blender blades, exploring what makes them stand out and helping you choose the perfect set for your needs. Number 5. Ninja Blender Blade Replacement for Auto IQ. This is a replacement blade assembly for your Ninja blender. It is designed to fit various Auto IQ models. It will help you to make smoothies and other drinks. This blade is compatible with Nutri Ninja cups with a 10 cm diameter and many Auto IQ models. Please confirm your blender model before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. The blade features 7 fins and is made of food-grade stainless steel and durable plastic. It is also dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean after use. Installation is quick and easy, matching the original parts perfectly. It's designed for chopping, grating, and blending, perfect for your favorite recipes. This replacement blade is ideal for creating smoothies and frozen drinks. It allows you to whip up your favorite foods in seconds without any leakage. The package includes one 7-fin replacement blade assembly with a rubber gasket. Make sure to check the pictures for compatibility before you buy it. What we like. This blade features a 7-fin design, ensuring efficient blending. It's made of durable stainless steel, guaranteeing longevity. If you're looking for a reliable replacement for your Ninja blender, this is a great choice. What people say. Installing the new blade was a breeze, and it worked like a charm. The 7-fin design provided exceptional blending and chopping performance, leaving us thoroughly impressed with the results. It works like a charm. Number 4. Ninja Blender Blade Replacement. This replacement blade is designed for Ninja blenders. It's a perfect fit for your smoothies and frozen drinks. It will help you make your favorite recipes in seconds. Made with eco-friendly plastic and food-grade stainless steel, this blade is built to last. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The precision design ensures it works great. Installation is simple, matching the original parts. Before using the blade, make sure the rubber gasket is properly placed. You can easily whip up your favorite foods and smoothies with it. This blade fits Nutri Ninja cups with a 3.9-inch diameter and 6 fin Ninja professional blenders. Please confirm your blender needs a 6-fin replacement blade before purchasing. Check the pictures for compatibility. The package includes one 6-fin replacement blade assembly. It's everything you need to get your blender working like new. Make sure to check all pictures for compatibility before you buy it. What we like. This blade features a 6-fin design, perfect for various blending tasks. Made with eco-friendly materials, it's a safe choice for your kitchen. If you value ease of use and a good blend, consider this blade for your Ninja. What people say. This piece replaced the original, which somehow started to leak. It fits perfectly. Screws onto and seals the mixing chamber, and the other side meshes properly with the base to work just as it should. I just tried the new part for the first time and it worked great. Chego antes de marcada e ótimo estado. Bem embalado e protegido. Se adapta e funciona perfeitamente no aparelho. Number 3. Ninja Blender 6-Blade Replacement. Are you looking for a replacement blade for your Ninja blender? This 6-blade replacement is designed specifically for 72-ounce pitchers. It's a perfect solution to keep your blender running smoothly. This replacement blade is compatible with a wide range of Ninja professional blenders. It fits models like BL610, BL740, and many more. Please check the compatibility list to ensure it's the right fit for your blender. Made from food-grade stainless steel, this blade is safe and durable. The 6-blade design ensures efficient blending, leaving no chunks behind. Its high hardness makes it resistant to damage. Instead of buying a whole new blender, replace your old blade with this one. It offers the same performance as the original, saving you money. Your Ninja blender will be as good as new. Installing this blade is simple, just attach it to your pitcher. It's also easy to clean, either in the dishwasher or by hand. Be careful when washing, as the blades are sharp. The package includes only the 6-blade replacement. The 72-ounce pitcher is not included and is shown for reference only. Please note that this is a replacement blade, not an original Ninja product. What we like. This blade is designed with 6 blades for efficient blending. It's specifically made for the 72-ounce pitcher, ensuring a perfect fit. If you have a larger Ninja blender and need a replacement, this blade will be a great addition. What people say. Perfect replacement for my broken blender lid. It is exactly as described. Fit perfectly. Fits the blender and works as intended. Number 2. Ninja Blender Blade Replacement for 72-ounce pitcher. This replacement blade is designed to perfectly fit your Ninja 72-ounce pitcher. It's compatible with various Ninja kitchen system models, ensuring a seamless fit for your blending needs. Made from food-grade stainless steel, this blade is BPA-free and built to last. Its high durometer design makes it sharper and stronger, ensuring efficient and thorough mixing. Tired of frequent blade replacements? This durable blade is a worthwhile investment. Its superior quality stainless steel construction reduces the need for replacements, saving you both time and money. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it to your Ninja blender. The blade's anti-scratch coating and smooth surface make it easy to clean, minimizing food residue buildup. The package includes only the replacement blade. The pitcher is not included. Handle the blade with care due to its sharpness, and keep it out of reach of children when not in use. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. This replacement blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety. It's easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a long-lasting and safe replacement blade, this is the one for you. What people say. This item works as a good replacement. No issues thus far. Essentialmente por ducto y buena calidad. Great replacement. It's replacing one that my daughter stuck a fork into and chipped the old blade. Number 1. Ninja Blender Replacement Blade. This replacement blade is designed for various Ninja blender models. It ensures your blender continues to perform at its best, making delicious smoothies and shakes. The blade is compatible with a wide range of Nutri Ninja Auto IQ models. Please confirm that your blender needs a 7 fins replacement blade before purchasing. Made with premium, rust-proof stainless steel and food-grade plastic, this blade is built for safety and durability. It's a reliable choice for your blending needs. The blade includes a tight sealing ring to prevent leaks. It keeps your ingredients contained, so you can blend without making a mess. Featuring ultra-sharp and durable blades, this part keeps your blender running smoothly. It easily crushes through fruits, veggies, and more. This Ninja blender accessory is dishwasher safe and easy to clean. It won't rust or interfere with the taste of your ingredients. What we like. This blade offers enhanced compatibility with various Ninja models. It features a leak-proof sealing ring, preventing messes. If you want a blade that's easy to clean and compatible with your blender, consider this one. What people say. The grinder efficiently grinds all types of materials, while the juicer effectively extracts the desired juice. I like that actually works for the product intended for. Medida y material perfectos para la BL 685-30. Cuchillas muy afiladas. Sin fugas ni fallas hasta ahora. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.